alaikum. I am Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Alu's Kitchen. How is everyone? I hope you're all okay. In Fatim Alu's Kitchen today, we've got you in Mandinka, Nyankatango, and in Wolof, Mbahal. Guys, we're going to cook you Nyankatango today, Mbahal. It's gonna be banging in this kitchen here today. And these are the ingredients that are going in our Nyankatango or Mbahal. Okay? So we've got you butter ghee, as you can see. In Mandinka it's called nisitulo. So in Wolof, diwinyor. Okay? So that's this diwinyor that we put in here. We're going to use that in our Nyankatango today. And we've got palm oil as well that is going in, and we've got chili here, a teaspoon, salt here, a teaspoon. We've got you locust beans, some of that here, netetu, and we've got you some dry fish here, and then we've got some garden eggs here, we've got okra here, we've got half a white onion and some spring onion here, and a chili, which we're going to blend. These are going to be blended with these locust beans. And then we've got you some mackerel here, smoked mackerel, that is also going to be blended. This is a very nice dish in the Gambia. It is very lovely, it's so tasteful, and it's mainly cooked on Fridays, because Friday is a half day. You come from school or work and you finish early and you're like, where's the Nyankatango? I need to eat. Very nice. So we've got rice here, which is going to help us along this journey. This is the rice. We've got long grain rice that we're cooking this Mbahal in, this Nyankatango, and it's 4 cups here. And we've got some groundnut here. I'm going to blend this groundnut, and then I'll show you how I will do that with this Nyankatango. And I'm going to add some oil in as well with our lovely ongo prawn that is going to help us along this journey. So I'm telling you guys, don't miss out, because it's gonna be nice. So let's get started. So guys, we've got some water in our lovely pot here, this pot that we used in most of our cookings, and it's already nearly boiling. But we measure the water alongside with how much rice we're cooking. I've got 7 cups of water here, and then I'm cooking 4 cups of rice. So always the water has to be a little bit more than the rice, okay? So that your rice will be nicely cooked. So in this water, we're going to go on and add our okras in, and our garden eggs, and the chili. Then I'm going to add salt in it. Then I'll put a lid on, and I'm going to boil all of that until it's boiled. Then take it out, and then we move on from there, okay? So guys, we're going to start blending the groundnut first. You can use groundnut powder if you've got groundnut powder. So very basic and easy. So just put some groundnut in here. I'm not going to use all of it. I'm just showing you how I do it. Then blend that. Okay. See, let's check our groundnut. Pour it in here. Did you see, guys? It's all powdered, all nicely blended. So we're going to set that aside, and then back on the blender, we will put our onions in. Spring onion. Locust beans also go in. And then the dry fish goes into. The chili goes in. Hunger prawn. And then the mackerel, I've already cleaned it. I took all the bones out. I'm not going to put all of that. I'm just going to put half of it now. And the other half will go in later. Then we blend these ones too. Okay, there you have it. That's our lovely blended ingredients that are going in our Nyankatango, aka Mbahal. I'm going to put that in here and show you how it looks properly. Okay guys, can you see? So this is our blended fish. Now the mackerel, the netatu and all the other ingredients, this is it. So we're going to set that one also aside. Okay guys, everything has cooked nicely well in this pot here, and we're going to take them out. And also, by the way, I have taken the Scotch bonnet chili out earlier because it was already cooked and I don't want it to break in it. It will be very spicy, so I took it out and it's right here. Let me take the okras out. Everything out. And then we set this one also aside. We've already steamed our rice. We wash it nice and clean and then steam it for 10 minutes. So that's going in now. Then we stir this. Okay, put the lid back on. Let the rice cook. Then we will come back. Okay. Look at our rice, guys. It has cooked so nicely. We still got some water underneath, but don't you worry. It will be perfect, guys. Right, so let's do a little digging here. We're gonna do a little hole in the middle here. And then we're going to bury our blended ingredients right in the middle. Okay. Right, let's bury that there. Okay. We're going to put the remainder of that other fish on top there, all in chunky cuts. That goes there, right on the top here, if we can. Okay, that stays on the top there. And so now we are going to go on and add our blended groundnut on top. Okay, I think that should do. And this is where I will drizzle the oil. Okay, and going to put a clean fill on top. put the lid back on. Right, and then we put the gas down until it is on medium. Right, and then we do the cleaning. So we will come to this after about half an hour. Once everything is nicely cooked, then we will show you how it looks after that. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, let's see our Mbahal, our Nyankatango. Just be careful when you take the clean peel out. Opposite direction, like I always say, so that the steam doesn't come on you. And look at that. So we're going to go on and give it a stir. Oh, I think I'm going to change my spoon. Right, I'm going to mix all of these now, guys. Can you see? Our lovely Nyankatango has cooked nicely. Look at that. So at this moment, this is what we do. We make sure we stir everything together. Nice one. It is smelling lovely. Please don't miss out in this kitchen today, guys. Don't you miss out. We are cooking some very nice, lovely Gambian dish. It is smelling already. We're going to mix it all well. And then we will put a lid on it and leave it for another 5 minutes to all settle down in the pot before we dish it out. There you have it, guys. Our lovely, nice Nyankatango, aka Mbahal, is ready. If you don't have that lovely Mbahal that they make for you guys in the Gambia, you can watch this recipe and you can have exactly the same as how they make it for you in the Gambia. Just use all the ingredients. You can go into the African stores. Normally they sell all of these ingredients. That's where I bought mine. And then I make this nice lovely Nyankatango Mbahal for you guys. And I hope you like it. If you do, you know what to do. Click that like button to like. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and then hit that notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on content. When we post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, we're going to enjoy this lovely Nyankatango. You're all invited. Thank you for watching. Until we come on your way again soon. Goodbye.